Hello everyone, 大家好. Welcome back to Learn Mandarin Chinese in 5 minutes YouTube channel. Our topic today is the Chinese character le or liao. This Chinese character is very easy to write. There are only 2 strokes, and the radical is a straight line with a hook at the end. The Chinese word le is used to indicate a completed action or a change in a status or situation. Liao, on the other hand, means to understand or something is settled. Frequently used words or phrases for le and liao. 下雨了，下雨了 It's raining. 下班了，下班了 Finished work. 了解，了解 Understand. 了结，了结 To finish or settle. 了事，了事 Get something over. 了不起，了不起 Amazing, terrific. 了不得，了不得 Extraordinary. 不得了，不得了 Disastrous. How do you actually use the Chinese word le or liao? Today we have listed 7 ways to use them. First usage, understand or settle. The Chinese word here is pronounced as liao. Number 1. 这件事昨天才了。这件事昨天才了。这件事昨天才了。This matter only settled yesterday. Number 2. 我总算了了这桩事。我总算了了这桩事。我总算了了这桩事。I finally settled this matter. Second usage, to indicate completed action. Le is used after a verb. Number 1. 我买了汽车。我买了汽车。我买了汽车。I bought a car. Number 2. 他考上了牛津大学。他考上了牛津大学。他考上了牛津大学。He was admitted to Oxford University. 他唱了一首歌。他唱了一首歌。他唱了一首歌。He sang a song. This is a completed action. Third usage, indicate change of status. Le is at the end of a sentence. Number 1. 外面下雨了。外面下雨了。外面下雨了。It's raining outside. Number 2. 他终于答应了。他终于答应 了。他终于答应了。He finally agreed. 太阳出来了。太阳出来了。太阳出来了。The sun has risen. This is a change of status. Fourth usage, to remind, hasten, or dissuade. Number 1. 时间不早了，我们该走了。时间不早了，我们该走了。时间不早了，我们该走了。It's getting late. We should go. Number 2. 别做了，没时间了。别做了，没时间了。别做了，没时间了。Stop work. Time is running out. 别再睡了，要迟到了。别再睡了，要迟到了。别再睡了，要迟到了。Don't sleep anymore. Going to be late. Fifth usage, to indicate something has already happened. Le is used at the end of the sentence. Number 1. 宝宝已经睡了。宝宝已经睡了。宝宝已经睡了。The baby is already asleep. Number 2. 上星期他去爬山了。上星期他去爬山了。上星期他去爬山了。He went mountain climbing last week. 折完衣服了。折完衣服了。折完衣服了。Finished folding clothes. Sixth usage, possibility to do something. Le is pronounced as liao. Number 1. 东西太重，我一个人背不了。东西太重，我一个人背不了。东西太重，我一个人背不了。This thing is too heavy. I can't carry it alone. Number 2. 我有空，我来得了。我有空，我来得了。我有空，我来得了。I have time. I can come. Seventh usage, using to le in a sentence. Number 1. 我看了电影就回家了。我看了电影就回家了。我看了电影就回家了。I watched a movie and went home. Number 2. 我吃了饭了。我吃了饭了。我吃了饭了。I have eaten. The first le indicates action has been completed. The second le indicates there is a change in status. The first le cannot be omitted. 他看了一场电影了。他看了一场电影了。他看了一场电影了。He watched a movie. already. That's all for today, everyone. Thank you for watching. Do remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Your support is our greatest motivation. See you again. Bye.